Hey everybody, my name's Chalky. Welcome to Lullaby Learning Park. Today, we are learning the alphabet. Are you ready? The first letter is A. A. After A comes B. Great start. B. After B comes C. C. After C comes D. D. After D comes E. Great job, you're doing it. E. Next comes F. F. After F comes G. G. After G comes H. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. H. After H comes I. I. After I comes J. J. Next comes K. Great work. K. After K comes L. L. After L comes M. We're halfway there. You're doing great. M. After M comes N. N. Next comes O. O. After O comes P. Fantastic! P. After P comes Q. Q. After Q comes R. You're doing so good. R. After R comes S. S. After S comes T. T. After T comes U. You're doing so good. We're almost there. U. After U comes V. V. After V comes W. W. After W comes X. You're almost done. Keep it up. X. After X comes Y. Y. After Y comes Z. Z. Great work! You did it! Now can you say them back with me? Are you ready? Let's go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow! Awesome work! You did great! We learned so much today. I can't wait for next time. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next learning adventure. Goodbye!